guys, look at how good my pantry looks. My mom organized the whole entire thing. And if you've ever lived in a house before, you probably know that whenever you put down any item, doesn't even matter if it's like plastic or actual food, it tears up the paint underneath. So like there's already some scratches and whatnot. And so my mom had this genius idea that we go to the Dollar Tree and we bought, I think, like 26 of these black placemats. They were $1 each, and now it just already looks so much neater. I don't have to worry about the paint slipping up from the shelves. All right, good morning everyone. Getting ready to head out to my 8 a.m. Pilates class. 7:27 right now, so we kind of need to get a move on. This is also new, so I'm excited to show you all this. At Costco, there were these 2-tiered. This one's a little bit shorter, so it can like slide under this big one. And it's just this cute little desk organizer thing, and I put my skincare over here, some of my like body oils, perfume, hair stuff, and then under here I've got lotions, face masks, and my pixie patches, which I currently have on my face right now. My mom has been here in Idaho for 4 days, I believe, and she'll be here for another 4, and one of her best friends is coming up in 2 days, so I'm really excited to see her. I haven't seen my Auntie Sylvia in a very, very long time. It's always so nice having her here because I feel like she helps me get my life back on track. Like, she loves organizing, cleaning, and just giving me like all the best cooking tips. So we've been making some bomb recipes and just food in general that I'm really excited to make throughout the rest of the year once she ends up leaving. Blue top in so long, but I forget how much I love this one from Outdoor Voices. Because this isn't a mat Pilates one, this is actually a reformers class. I don't like to put my hair up like right in the back of my head because when you're laying down on the reformer, it can give you the most massive headache. So usually what I like to do is just braid my hair, and I feel like that usually doesn't result in me getting headaches or any pain in my head. I'm not a big fan of wearing my hair super tight up. I've never been able to do that. I've always been amazed by like dancers and gymnasts and people who can just put their hair up so tight on the top of their head. That would probably give me a huge migraine. Really quick before we head out, I'm gonna put some of this Drunk Elephant Power Peptide Resurf Serum. Ever since I started using the serum, I feel like it has just strengthened the skin on my face. As you get older, you obviously lose and don't produce as much collagen, and your skin doesn't become as elastic. So I feel like this has really restored all of that and just keeps my face feeling youthful, and it's just the perfect base before I gua sha my face. I'm dragging it all the way down to the neck. And we're gonna do a quick gua sha before we head out. And then we'll lock that all in with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Cream. So hydrating, which is perfect because it's really dry here in Idaho. I used to live in Texas where it was humid all the time, and so when I would step outside, I didn't want any more moisture coming on my face. But then when I moved here, I was like, oh no, wait, where's the moisture? I need it back. Perfect. Okay, and last but not least, deodorant, because we're not stinky girls over here. This is my favorite one. It's from the brand Mitchum. Although I'm gonna try to see if they don't make one that's gel, because sometimes the gel can like get flaky and stuff, and I think I just want like a stick, but they didn't have a stick whenever I bought this. My Pilates socks, today we're gonna go with these black gripper ones. I got one of these cool car mounts off of Amazon, and now I'm trying to see if I can find one for my camera, like a tripod but for the car, because y'all don't see all of the raw footage where my camera is slip and sliding back and forth on my dash. Totally unsafe, and I recognize that. But I think back in 2021, I tried ordering one and it just did not work. Like the car tripod was not happening. So if you guys have a channel and you want to give a girl suggestions to be more safe when driving, drop in the comments. Oh, and that's what it is. You want to tell the vlog what you're doing?
I am stripping the garage. It looks like there's a lot of salt that when the road condition is snowy, they grow salt on the street, stacked it in all over the garage.
Is this your love language?
It is my first love language. And get my exercise in too.
I threw on this little jumpsuit from Free People. It's been a while since I've worn it. It's like this. And I think I'm just gonna keep my hair in a braid. But we're gonna go to Target today. Probably go to the Boise outdoor mall as well. And then my mom wants to go to the Shops at Eagle, which is like vintage antique. I think my coffee should be done. Y'all, this latte, I am obsessed with it. It's so easy and simple. It's just 2 shots of espresso over a glass of almond milk. I'm at that point in my coffee life where I'm kind of over just all the really sugary additives, sweeteners, and whatnot. Oh, it's so good. I have these really cute jars. There's like 3 different tiered levels. This is the medium-sized jar. It's from Crate and Barrel, and I keep all my Nespresso pods in here. I only have 1 more of the Caro, which is the double espresso that I use for my lattes. The rest of these, I have no idea what they are. They're not really my favorite. It originally came when I first got the Nespresso, so I don't really drink that one. But I like to keep it just in case I have guests come over and they end up liking it. So we're gonna refill. This is a pack of the Caro. I think there's like 10 in here. Now that summer is coming to an end and I start classes back up in like 2 weeks, it's not just classes that I'm excited for. I'm also so stoked for all of the concerts that I have within the next 3 months. My mom leaves Boise on Saturday, and that night, like right after I drop her off at the airport, I'm going to a Flatland Cavalry concert with one of my friends, Mia. And so with that being said, I need to tell you about this special hookup from today's sponsor, SeatGeek. All of you guys can use my code Caroline10 and get 10% off any tickets on SeatGeek. There are so many artists touring right now, like Billie Eilish, Noah Kahan, Sabrina Carpenter, even Luke Bryan, and SeatGeek has you covered. Each ticket is rated on a scale of 1 to 10, so look for the green dots. Green is good, red is bad. And no matter how many times you've bought tickets using SeatGeek, my code Caroline10 will always be available, so you can use it for any concert you want to go to. So open your phone, download the SeatGeek app, and add my code Caroline10 to your account. This offer is only available for a limited time, so don't wait. All right, friends, we're trying a new makeup product today. This is the Giorgio, is that how you say it?
Giorgio, yeah.
Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Cheek Tint. There's no name, just a number, shade 62. I love cheek tints, but for a long time, I've been using this Clio Cosmetics Powder Air Whip Blush, and I love it so much, but I'm starting to hit pan on it. And you can tell like the texture is starting to get a little bit weird up here, so I feel like it's not really coming off as well. But I do love a good pinky blush. I know some people prefer like dark apple reds, but for my skin tone, I really think pinks are just more flattering. I'm like, how do I want to do this? I think we'll do a drop on each side. Okay, maybe 2. And then if we need to add more, we'll build from there. I feel like with liquid blushes like this, you can't really use a brush and just rely on that. You kind of have to use your fingers and blend. Oh, this is so pretty. Mom, look at this blush. The stores I want to hit up today: Brandy, Melville, Anthropologie, maybe Aerie, and then I feel like Urban Outfitters, it's like a hit or a miss. I like Urban Outfitters a lot, but some of their clothes are just like way too overpriced unless you go to the sale section, which they do have good stuff in the sale section. As controversial as people make Brandy Melville out to be with their whole one size fits all and whatnot, I will say their clothes, like their tanks and basics, they are my favorite, and they're just a go-to for me. Cute. I really like the way that this blush just blended out.
I think I'm gonna wash your white back mat.
Curling eyelashes is so scary. And then for mascara, we're gonna use the Eye Enhancer CoverGirl. I went makeup free for like 5 days, and today's the first day that I put on some concealer, some blush, and mascara. I definitely want to do that more, where I just do periods of time where I don't wear any makeup, because I think it's just good for the skin to breathe without it. I need to remind myself to clean my makeup brushes because it's been a week.
Are we gonna go shopping today? Do you wanna go shopping with me?
He's so cute. Matcha like turns his head. I think a lot of dogs do this, but like if I say trigger words like, do you want some food? First errand of the day, we're gonna drop this off at a Catholic church because they have a food pantry there, and I want this to go to good use. But these are all really good. I love Quest so much, but they literally sent like 12 boxes of chips, and there's no way that I'm gonna be able to eat all these by myself. Some of these flavors are so good, but like this hot and spicy one, I don't think I would be able to tolerate. These ones are going to the food pantry, and I kept this whole drawer full of chips that I love. And I already ate this whole other half, but I really, really love the loaded taco ones. I like crushing them up and putting them with ground beef, just like a little taco bowl at home. These barbecue ones are delish, and so are these nacho cheese ones. My mom wants me to show y'all the new fridge. She did a deep clean and organized everything. Went through all of my sauces that were expired and whatnot, which I appreciate because I didn't even realize that my Chick-fil-A sauce was expired and I use that thing religiously. Got my Barabels, yogurts, veggies, fruits, and of course the Alani news. We love Alani. Thank you so much. Oh, and you did the freezer too. Wow. Last night we went to Petco and bought more greenies. This is the only treat that will get him running in the bed. The Crunchios, no, he will not run in bed. He'll play games with me. But the greenies, oh my gosh, he loves those things. Okay, then these two bags right here, these ones are gonna go to Goodwill. Some good food choppers, and I never use this popcorn machine, but it's so easy. I wanna hear your thoughts on this. So these like go over your Stanley, like look at that, and it's like a dipping cup. No, wait, I feel like for game day this would be so cute. They don't look super long. Like, do I need this? Yes. On today's adventure of going to the baby aisle. How cute is this? Top contender. This is also really cute. Oh, I love them all. Are you joking? This jean jacket? There's two.
Yeah.
Should I do like these ones or like the washcloths?
No, just a hand towel to wash it.
Getting new towels for the upstairs bathroom. That one's a good one. The little bows, are you kidding me? We're gonna try on some jeans in the fitting room. We did some damage, you guys. I have so much respect for Anthropologie and Loft because they do teacher appreciation discounts specifically for this week. And so we saved
For the month.
or for the month, sorry,
Yeah.
my bad. And we saved so much money, so shout out Teeter Tot.
Shout out to all the teachers.
Yeah, if your mom is a teacher or if you are a teacher, we love you so much. So when I get home, I'll do a haul, but we are starving right now. It's like 1 o'clock. My mom and I are pretty routine based. Like we eat breakfast right when we wake up, right at noon, and we eat early dinners always. So I feel like we're kind of like thrown off our eating schedule right now.
But since we made our lunch this morning,
Yeah.
we are good to go. So we don't have to do a lot of prepping when we get home.
Yeah, my mom made this really yummy fruit chicken salad that I love. I'll put the recipe on the screen for it. I think I'm gonna roll it up into a burrito or a tortilla, add some lettuce, and make it into like a wrap sort of deal. Oh, we wanna go to Eagle today, but we're gonna bring little Matcha with us. One of my professor's wife, she owns her own store called Acquire & Co. And they always have like the cutest home decor. So we're gonna scope that out. Just wanted to pop in and say hello.
And we're gonna look for some, hopefully, vintage type of postcards for Catherine's collection for her apartment wall. So.
Yes. See you guys when we get home. Ciao.
Bye.
Here's here's a quick overview haul of everything I got from Target today. Fabric softener, this is a new one. I've never tried this kind before. A refill of cotton balls because obviously I take my makeup off with these. Then some detergent from Tide. Love, love, love this brand. Gallon size Ziploc bags because we used the last one yesterday. Some daily granite cleaner. This stuff is awesome. Would highly recommend. 2 little jars of soap from the brand Method. Haven't tried this scent, but I bet it's gonna smell amazing. 2 hand towels for the top floor bathroom. And then last but not least, these cute little bows for game days at Boise State University. This is usually where I keep all my cotton balls, in this container, so we're gonna refill that right now. Now for a super quick Brandy haul because I'm so excited for this one. First and foremost, look at how cute this little tote bag is. I wouldn't say it's like your canvas traditional tote bag. Definitely has that vintage look to it. And I love this because on days where I feel like not wearing a backpack, maybe I don't have a heavy book load or just like a lot of things to carry, this is perfect. It's a great way to kind of make a backpack, not a backpack. Then I got this little sign that says Idaho. There were a couple ones that said Boise on it, but I feel like if I move anywhere, I can go to any of the Brandy Melville stores and it'll say like the state that I'm in. And I want to bring this to any house that I end up moving into in the future. And then the last clothing item from Brandy is this shirt that says Idaho. I had a shirt like this same exact cut in the past. I don't remember what it said, but I lost it, could never find it, and I just love how it's kind of distressed and cropped at the bottom. Then from Loft, I got 2 different things. This is the first. It's this beautiful red top, has a little knot in the front with discounts and everything. I think my mom said this one was $8. And originally it was $48. And then the second thing that I got from Loft isn't clothing, it's actually a necklace. I've been loving the look of stacked necklaces lately. And so I got this gold one. She's a little all twisted right now, but looks like this. I was deciding between this and then this tortoise one that wasn't layered, just a single pendant. Plus these were on sale, like 50% off additionally. This stack is from Anthropology. Y'all are gonna fall in love with this green pinstripe shirt, and I feel like this is getting me so excited for just the fall semester of college in general. A basic white tee, but I like the cut of this. It almost reminds me of, I think it's the American Eagle shirts, but I can already see myself wearing like a cute lacy bralette with this. The V-neck cut, so gorgeous. Okay, this is the top, you guys. It's this long sleeve pinstriped shirt. I've never seen a cut that kind of like folds over like this, but it's got the perfect amount of crop. So it's not like belly, whole belly showing, but you also don't even need to tuck it into your jeans. And then last but not least, Citizens of Humanity. This is a pair of jeans that was originally $248 and we got it for like $120 because it was on sale. Big scores today, and that's my little clothing shopping haul.
Can you say hello?
Okay, we're in an antique store right now. We're trying to find some postcards for Catherine because she loves collecting them and they're so cute. Look at how good this is. Okay, we've got chicken parm for dinner tonight, some potatoes that I made in the air fryer, and then I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon. I wish that I had ketchup with this, but I don't. So we're improvising. They're literally like chips. And remember how North Italia made zucchini chips? You could do that.
With your new thing. I don't know if it has a spiral, but you can slice it pretty thin.
Overwhelmed by the unknown, was the world made for my soul? Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication to all of the parts.